So one of the technology resources that I'm using for my lesson is called AutoDraw. AutoDraw is a tool where students can draw a picture and with a click of a button, turn their drawings into a perfectly constructed one. For example, the student would click on AutoDraw and they could draw their picture. And then after, at the top, there's a bunch of different pictures that pop up that the student can scroll through to see if what they're drawing is up here. And let's say the student wanted to draw a blueberry. So they would just click on the blueberry icon and it would pop up right here, perfectly constructed for them. And then on the side, there are other different tools that will enhance their drawing. They could fill the blueberry in, and there's different colors here. They could do it blue, they could do it purple like that, and then the outline would still stay. They could also draw shapes on here. Just click the different shapes. Or they could actually type. And then they could also just free draw as well. Like that. So for my lesson, I am using this as like a little warm-up for the main part of the lesson. So these are two warm-up questions that I came up with. The first one is, what is the total of 20 cents and 50 cents? So the students could come up to the board and then draw 50 plus 20, and they can do their math right on the board so that everyone else can see their thinking process and what they're doing to find out their answer. Like that. And then the second question is, I have $3. I buy candy for 50 cents. How much money do I have left? So once the students have found their answers for the problems, I would ask their classmates if they think that the answer that the student did is correct, and why or why not. And together we would like talk as a class and collaborate different ideas and different thinking processes to find out if the answers were right or wrong. So this tool lets my students share their ideas and thinking processes with one another, as well as for me to see if my students can figure out the problems and how they're figuring it out. And with that, I could see what their strengths and what their weaknesses are. It also engages the students into having them do something other than a worksheet and like working at their desks. Students are coming up to the board and moving more. It also helps with their public speaking and speaking to 10, 15 other people in the classroom.